Familiarize yourself with the 2020 Honda Odyssey. This 8-passenger van is waiting for you to take home. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 3.5-liter 6-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, front and rear reading lights, heated seats, heated door mirrors, rear wipers, and power seats. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 7 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Adaptive Cruise Control maintains a preset distance behind the car ahead of you, simplifying highway driving and enhancing safety. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.